Lenovo is unveiling its new Legion Y70 2026. The smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset with addition of an octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno. It will feature an OLED touchscreen display with 6.8 inches screen size, 2K resolution, and 144Hz refresh rate. It is paired with 16 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB of storage. The battery is massive and that will be 8000 mAh with support for 90 watt fast charging. The smartphone is said to feature a robust thermal architecture cooling system, 12 watt liquid gold thermal interface material, and 10 watt high thermal gel. It will be available in black and white colors. The smartphone runs on Android 16 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.